Hello, welcome to SuccessTrack TV. I'm TJ and I'm so happy that you found my channel. For today's video, let's talk about online business ideas. So if you're looking for ways to earn some money, then this video is for you. But before we begin and get into this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Then leave a comment below this video saying I subscribed. I'll try my best to reply as many comments as possible. Starting your own business is an exciting and fulfilling endeavor. With the rise of the internet, the opportunities for online businesses have never been greater. From e-commerce to consulting and everything in between, the possibilities are endless. In this video, we'll take a look at the top 12 best online business ideas for starting a small business. Whether you're looking to turn a hobby into a career or take your existing business online, there's an idea on this list that can help you achieve your goals. The first online business idea is resume writing. This can be a good online business idea for those with experience in human resources, recruiting, or career counseling. Job seekers often seek help in crafting effective resumes that will help them stand out to potential employers. If you have experience writing resumes or have background in human resources, starting a resume writing service can be a good idea for an online business. The second idea for an online business is setting up an e-commerce store. Selling products online through a website or online marketplace such as Amazon or Etsy. If you have some teaching background, you can look into online tutoring or teaching. You can do this by utilizing video conferencing software to teach students or provide tutoring services remotely. The fourth online business idea is consulting or coaching. You can offer expertise in a specific field through online consultations or coaching sessions. Another great online business idea is social media management. You can look into managing and growing a business's social media presence. If you love to write, why not consider content creation or blogging? You can create and monetize a website or blog through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Graphic design or web development is another great online business idea. You can offer design or development services to businesses and individuals. The eighth online business idea is virtual event planning. You can plan and organize virtual events for companies such as webinars and virtual conferences. If you love numbers, then this next online business idea is for you. You can offer online bookkeeping or accounting services. This is one of the most sought-after services on the internet today. The 10th online business idea is drop shipping. You can start an e-commerce store without holding inventory. Another online business idea is affiliate marketing. You can promote products and earn a commission on each sale. Last but not least, you can offer virtual assistants online. Virtual assistants is a type of online business where a person, known as a virtual assistant, provides administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. Virtual assistance is a flexible and cost-effective way for businesses and entrepreneurs to outsource tasks that they don't have the time or expertise to handle themselves. But you now know the 12 online business ideas to get started. One last thing before you leave. If you liked this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Then leave a comment below to share your thoughts, and I'll do my best to reply to as many comments as I can. Also, make sure to watch the next video that's coming up. Thanks for visiting SuccessTrack TV.